Trump claimed Israel would turn its fighter jets around.
President Trump just posted on Truth Social. He says Israel is not going to attack Iran. All planes will turn around and head home while doing a friendly plane wave to Iran. Nobody will be hurt. The ceasefire is in effect. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Donald J. Trump, President of the United States.
What the hell is a friendly plane wave? Everything in Trump's mind is Thomas the Tank Engine. He thinks the fighter jets have eyes and a mouth that say, hello, neighbor, unless, they fly too close to each other. Then they say, now.